So when I was about 12 years old, this is a real story. Actually, I had a problem in my eyes. There was a tissue that was missing in between my eyes. So what happened? I was not able to see the sunlight, and I can't even read the books. Can't see any screens basically. So that was for 1 year. I had this situation. I had to be at home like a kid, and instead of being distracted, I started to observe the nature. And I don't have anything to do. I can't read and I can't see TV. So what can I do? So I keep asking questions. So okay, so I bothered my mother. Just want to make a conversation with her. What are you cooking today? And then I ask, why are you cooking? Why are you cooking this today? And I keep bothering her with so many questions, actually, and she get annoyed. One time, because that's why I try to be clean as much as possible, because I get infected very easily. My mother said, don't go and play in the backyard, and because then you'll get infected. That's what she said. And I actually had a silkworm as my pet that time. And then I had a fever. My mother said, you have played in such a bad environment, that's why you got fever. Then that time I had this question: if I have a fever, then why not the silkworm has a fever? I mean, all these insects, if you see, they live in a very bad environment. Not so good environment. Like, they can survive anywhere, and they don't care about the what is that, washing their hands or wearing a mask or something like that. So they're always cool with any kind of things that go around in the world. So that time I asked this question. So why the insects don't get sick? So among the many annoying questions, this was the one sane question that I asked my mother. She was very happy. So why don't you become adult and then find it by yourself, was her answer. Then I recovered, and then I started. I was able to see properly. I was able to read properly, and then I started to study with all my heart, because it's like paradise regained, right? And my acquaintance with the DNA first came in the movie Jurassic Park. There is a scene where the DNA comes and explains about itself. The moment I saw DNA, I fell in love with the molecule. So I always wanted to work with the DNA, and then I pursued my career in biology, and I did my do my PhD on the why insects don't get sick. That was my PhD theme.